Real quick, guys, I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on any Toyotas with the analog gauges. So it can be for Toyota, or this is a Scion, but you know, they're all the same. So go ahead, turn your key off to where everything's off. Turn it on. Make sure you're on trip A. So go ahead, trip A. Turn off, and then what you need to do is hold the reset while turning the key on. Okay, so hold the trip reset while you turn on the key, and as you can see, it's blinking away. Yep, keep holding it, and then you'll now see that once you turn the car off and turn it back on, the maintenance required light will be gone. So just like that, guys, easy peasy, really easy to do on your own. You don't need a mechanic, or you don't need to pay someone to do this. You can just do it on your own. My suggestion also is never go by the maintenance required light. Always go by the sticker that should be on your window there, because that's really going to tell you how many miles you've exactly been. This is just, you know, preset from the factory, so I think it should be 3,000 to 5,000 miles, but I would never trust that, honestly. Always go by what you know with the sticker. Anyways, I just want to thank all of you for watching. I'll have to go out and put on my seatbelt now because that bell is annoying, but hey, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Peace.